we're at the bottom of lesson 7.3 with example 2. So Peter drops a ball from the top of a 50-foot tall building. It bounces back up to 80% of its previous height with every bounce. Approximately what total distance has the ball traveled after 5 bounces? So first thing I see here, back up to 80% of. If you read the one of the tips under number 1, it says if you see percentage of in the question, then it's probably a geometric sequence or series. And also I see the word total. So that tells me that we are dealing with a geometric series problem this time. All right, I'm going to draw a little diagram, so if you want to pause the video right now to draw your own diagram and then come back and see how I did it. So here's my little diagram. The first bounce, 50 feet drop, and then second bounce, third bounce, fourth bounce, fifth bounce. Now, we need to calculate the total distance. If you notice here, you can assume that this bounce up is the same as this bounce down. So I'm just going to highlight in, or go over in green, what I'm going to calculate first. So there's the geometric sequence, starting with 50 and then 80% less, or sorry, 20% less or 80% remaining every time. I'm going to calculate the sum of these 5 first, and then I'm just going to subtract 50 afterwards and double the remaining just to account for the up bounce. And then I'm going to add everything together. So I know that A is equal to 50. I know R is equal to 0.8. That's the ratio. And N is equal to 5 bounces. The sum of the geometric series formula, A bracket R to the exponent N minus 1 over R minus 1. Let's substitute everything in. 50 bracket 0.8 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 0.8 minus 1. So go ahead and calculate. And I believe you should get 168.08 feet. So this is only for what I've highlighted in green in my diagram here. All right, I'm going to subtract 168.08 feet minus 50. So I get 118.08 feet. So this is the up bounce total distance traveled. I'm going to highlight that in pink. My pink pen is working. Okay, and now I'm just going to add those two numbers together. So total distance is equal to 168.08 plus 118.08, which equals 286.16 feet traveled. If you wanted to, you could have just taken this number, multiplied that by 2, and then subtracted 50. You would have gotten the same result. Alrighty, so for tomorrow's class, we're going to be just practicing more application problems. If you have some time tonight, get a head start on the homework. Alright, see you tomorrow.